To grade an assignment, click on the one that needs grading. This will take you to the grading summary, which shows how many participants are in the class, how many assignments have been submitted, and how many are still in need of grading. To get to the grading interface, click Grade. The grading interface will open, which displays one student's submission at a time. On the right side of the window, there is space to grade using a rubric, if one is set up, or to insert points. There's also a space to give general feedback and to offer another submission attempt if you accept revisions. Additionally, this grading interface allows you to mark the student's paper. Use the highlighter tool, the comment feature, or draw on the document. The arrows will rotate the document, which is helpful if a submission is landscape or upside down. Once finishing grading and markup, select either Save Changes or Save and Show Next to go to the next submission. If you would like to jump to a specific student's submission, select the search bar in the top right and choose their name. Please note that you can view a list of all submissions if needed. You can also get there from the Assignments page by clicking Submissions in the Assignment Administration block. Their submission status and grades will show. From this screen, you could filter submissions by name or status, download all submissions into a zip folder, or select a specific submission to grade. If you have any questions about grading assignments in Moodle, feel free to reach out to the Office of Online and Distance Learning.